Holy Stone HS110G drone with GPS, less than 7.1 ounces, storage case included, camera included, flight time 25 minutes, 1080p, wide angle, 110 degrees, 2.4 GHz, altitude maintenance, finding lost airplane, Wi-Fi rear, return mode, follow me mode, headless mode, a half-free conversion. GPS. In addition to the altitude maintenance function with a barometric pressure sensor, the GPS positioning system, and satellite positioning dual GPS system, you can control the hovering without removing the desired position and make it more stable and easy to control. The integrated control system allows you to fly with confidence. Equipped with a variety of advanced control technologies, you can experience the ultimate flight every time you take off. Includes a dedicated storage case, comes with a case to store this drone set, making it convenient to carry wherever you go. Foldable slim transmitter for superior portability. For operation, 25 minutes flight time. For professional level aerial photography, it is essential for long flights. Includes two 3.7V 1500 mAh batteries to extend flight time to 25 minutes. It stays in the air for longer periods of time and makes perfect shots. High image 1080p wide angle 110 degrees camera. Comes with a 1080p high quality camera and a 110 degrees wide field of view that allows the lens to achieve a stable and perfect flight plan. Enjoy high resolution and capture the most beautiful pictures from the sky like a professional. Follow me mode and return mode. The unit moves according to the smartphone's GPS signal. Or it will recognize and track the subject while keeping it inside the phone frame. Recognizes moving subjects from people to animals to cars and adjusts the flight way according to the type of subject. Record your path in flight even if the control signal is interrupted. This return mode allows you to return it along the same path.